everyone, my name is Lauren and I am a mechanical engineer by trade, but have decided to completely flip my career and become a consultant. In this video, I'll be sharing with you the 4 key reasons I personally went into consulting from engineering. These are not in any particular order, they are just 4 key things that I've considered as I was changing my career path from engineering to consulting. So one of the reasons is I wanted to learn and get more experience in the business side of the process. What I mean by that is, to put it very simply, as an engineer, you are given a set of requirements and you design the product or service with those requirements in mind. But as an engineer, you are not necessarily involved in all the details of building out the financial model and understanding the funding and the cost, getting involved in the sales process. Those elements of the product development process is not necessarily a role of an engineer. So I wanted to be able to find a new opportunity that allowed me to get involved in those areas where I was not previously exposed to. Another reason is because I wanted to have more direct interaction with the customer. From my personal experiences as an engineer, I would typically get a set of requirements from the customer. I would take those requirements and design and build the product. And then once the product is built, it will be passed off to the customer. In that full life cycle of designing and building the product, my interaction with the customer would be somewhat limited. I was looking for an opportunity to have a more direct and personal relationship with the customer, allowing me to truly understand from the very early stages of product development what their needs are and what their challenges are, so that I'm truly designing a product or a service that will resolve their concerns and resolve their needs. Another reason is I wanted to be able to work on a diverse range of different types of projects. Because I was in the aviation industry, there were a lot of products and projects that I worked on that were very long-term. This is not very unusual in the aviation space, as the life cycle of a product is typically several years long. In my next opportunity, I wanted to be able to experience different projects because that would allow me to broaden my knowledge and expertise beyond just what I was working on in regards to engineering. The last reason is I simply wanted to experience a new challenge and broaden my experience and knowledge outside of the engineering technical space I had been in for already 5 years. At that time, I had already gotten my Bachelor and Master of Science in mechanical engineering, and I had spent 5 years working in the aviation industry as a mechanical engineer. I was looking to explore what was outside of that engineering bubble and the network that I had built, to challenge myself and also expose myself to areas that I had never experienced before. Now, these are just 4 reasons why I personally went from engineering into consulting. There are many more reasons out there, but hopefully this provided you some insights into why an engineer would want to switch into a consulting role. If you want to hear more about my consulting journey, please like and subscribe.